Hello and welcome to the future of AI. Let me show you something really cool. How amazing is this? I just changed the clothes on this model with a simple prompt. It's fast, easy, and honestly mind-blowing. And look at this. Isn't this incredible? I created all of these stunning images and also some stunning videos using just one platform called MimicPC, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Now, let me introduce you to MimicPC. It's like having a fully loaded AI PC right in your browser. Whether you're into image editing, video creation, or even AI voiceovers, MimicPC has got you covered. It comes packed with powerful tools like Flux.1, which lets you restyle images, change colors, and even do clothing transfers effortlessly. And that's not all. MimicPC also gives you access to other top-notch AI applications like ComfyUI, Face Fusion, RVC, and more, all from one place. You don't need expensive hardware or complicated setups. Everything runs smoothly in the cloud, making it super easy and accessible for everyone. And their pay-as-you-go pricing means you only pay for what you use, so it's affordable too. This platform isn't just convenient, it's innovative, fun, and opens up endless possibilities. So, stick around as I show you how to use MimicPC and its amazing Flux tools to create something incredible. You don't need to download anything. Simply visit their website. The link is in the description box. Launch it for free by signing up with your Google account. It's that simple. Once you're signed in, you'll see an interface featuring a variety of apps including Automatic 1111, Web UI, Focus, RVC, OmniGen, ComfyUI, Face Fusion, and many more. Let me show you something amazing that I personally appreciate. The Tutorial Hub. As the name suggests, you will find all the tutorials here, so you won't get confused while using this software. They've provided a plethora of tutorials in a separate section. Simply find the application you want to use and you'll have a tutorial available. If you encounter any confusion, you can watch the tutorials here. In the Discover section, you'll see various workflows including text-to-video, Flux, and LoRa Christmas-themed product display. In the Flux category, you'll find tools like Flux image-to-line art, one-click ID photo generation, Christmas-themed product display, logo DIY, and many more. Don't worry, I'll show you how to use them as well. We'll try the Flux.1 tool, which is smart Inpainting. Click on Operate to start using it. MimicPC functions like your own PC. You don't need to download anything to your computer. It provides cloud storage space and operates directly on the web. This is the best part. With this tool, you can change the color of your clothes, add, remove, or change objects. It requires 1.8 gigabytes of space, which is available in your MimicPC cloud storage. The tool also provides guidance on how to use it. You can read the instructions and then click on Operate. You can select hardware options. The best part is that you will be charged per hour, costing just a few cents. You don't have to pay a lot. You can choose medium or large, which work best, and select the bargain option, which charges no more than 50 cents per hour. You'll be given a time duration of 30 minutes, with fees deducted by the minute. If you stop using the application, it will cost a 1-minute charge, and the remaining unused time will be refunded to your balance. This is amazing. Click on Create and Start. After a minute or two, an interface will appear. It's a pre-made template that you can use. Simply click on Choose File to upload your image. After uploading, right-click on the image and select Open in Mask Editor. Brush the area you want to change, such as the shirt, and click on Save to Node. In the prompt section, write your desired change like green shirt and click on Queue. Processing will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Here's the result. The color of the clothes has been transformed amazingly, looking absolutely stunning. Press Stop to turn off the machine. You'll only pay for the time you used and the remaining balance will be saved for later. Isn't this amazing and cost-effective? Now, let's try the Flux text-to-image and image-to-image tool. Click on Operate to get started. This requires 30 gigabytes of storage space, so make sure you have enough. Select the hardware and then click on Create and Start. Once launched, you will see this kind of template. If you zoom in, you'll find the option to upload your reference image. Alright, so here I'll upload a reference image like this. On the left side, you'll notice the Clip Text Encode Flux option. This is where you have to write a prompt. The tool will auto-detect the prompt from the reference image, but if you want to write your own prompt or make changes, you can always do that. Then there are also some settings that you can do before generating image according to your preferences. Once done, simply click on Q to start generating your image. Alright, here is the result. The image looks absolutely fantastic. Let's open it and check. Wow, look at the result. The details are so clear and the image looks stunning. So in this way, you can generate amazing images by providing a reference image and writing a simple prompt. Now let's try the Flux Adaptive Image and Prompt Mixing tool. Choose the hardware. Large or Large Pro will work best for this. Then click on Create and Start. After a few minutes, the workflow will launch. In this workflow, you need to upload the image that you want to restyle. This tool allows us to restyle or recreate our images effortlessly. So here's the image I've uploaded. Next, in the Clip Text Encode section, you'll need to write your prompt. For example, I'll write Ancient Greek Princess. Once the prompt is ready, simply click on Q to generate the result. Alright, here's the result. It has restyled my image beautifully and the final result looks amazing. Look at the quality, it's so pretty. Let's try the text-to-video app. Choose the hardware and get started. The procedure is the same and easy for every app, so don't get confused. Once launched, zoom in a little and you'll see the option to write a prompt. For example, I'll write a prompt for a video where there's a fiery monster emerging. Then there are several video configuration settings you can adjust before generating the video. You can set the width and height to determine the video dimensions and specify the number of frames to adjust the video length. The steps control how many denoising or sampling iterations the video will go through, which affects the overall detail and quality. The embedded guidance scale determines how closely the video follows your written prompt, while the flow shift can be adjusted to influence the video's smoothness and overall length. Once you've configured these settings, click on Q to start generating the video. Okay, so here's the result. As you can see, it's a 3-second video clip that has been generated. However, you can always change the video settings to create longer videos or improve the results by tweaking the configuration options further. The process is simple and convenient. If you have any problems, feel free to ask in the comments or visit the tutorial hub for guidance. And that's it for today's video. MimicPC is truly a game changer. It brings powerful AI tools to your fingertips without the need for high-performance hardware. It's perfect for developers, artists, and tech enthusiasts, providing seamless access to popular applications like Stable Diffusion, ComfyUI, and more, directly from your browser. With flexible pay-as-you-go pricing and intelligent resource management, MimicPC is both cost-effective and energy-efficient. The Flux.1 tools are so impressive. You can change colors, swap garments, and restyle images with just a few clicks. And the best part, it's not just limited to these tools. You've got everything here. Text-to-video workflows, applications for voiceovers, AI-generated characters, and so much more. It's like having a fully loaded PC with top-notch AI models and apps, all accessible right from your browser. I've had such a great time exploring it, and I can't wait for you to try it out. So go ahead and check out MimicPC. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. The link is in the description box. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Future of AI for more exciting tools and tips. See you in the next video.